The AI battleground is heating up as Google unveils Gemini, touted as a game-changer in the world of artificial intelligence. After Google's bold claim of creating an AI superior to GPT-4, skepticism ran high. However, with the recent release of Gemini Advanced, the most advanced language model yet, the question remains, is Gemini powerful enough to outshine GPT-4? This latest development has sparked intense debate and speculation, signaling a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI. Imagine an AI that can not only read and write text, but also understand the nuances of images, sounds, and code. This is the essence of Gemini. Unlike previous models, Gemini is multimodal, meaning it can process and understand information across various formats, just like the human brain. This allows it to grasp complex concepts and solve problems in ways that were previously unimaginable. The landscape of large language models, LLMs, is undergoing a dramatic shift with the introduction of Google's Gemini. This powerful new model promises to compete head-to-head with OpenAI's GPT-4, challenging its dominance in the field. While both models have their strengths and weaknesses, we'll explore the key differences between them based on 6 crucial points. 1. Language understanding and generation. Gemini Ultra boasts the ability to understand and generate responses in multiple languages, integrating Google's vast knowledge graph for detailed comprehension. It excels in handling slang and idiomatic expressions, often providing contextually appropriate translations and responses. On the other hand, ChatGPT-4, while strong in language processing, sometimes falls short in understanding non-English languages and regional dialects compared to Gemini. In this round, the winner is Gemini Ultra for its broader language capabilities and deeper contextual understanding, especially in handling language nuances and idiomatic expressions. Gemini takes the lead with a score of 1-0 against ChatGPT-4. Let's move on to the second point. 2. Information retrieval and accuracy. Gemini Ultra directly integrates with Google Search, providing access to a ginormous amount of up-to-date information. This allows Gemini to pull in the most current data for its responses. When it comes to ChatGPT-4, it relies on its training data up until its last update, with the ability to perform web searches via a Bing integration for Plus users. However, this can sometimes result in less or no current information compared to Gemini. Winner? Gemini Ultra for its more accurate, up-to-date responses. 3. Multimodal capabilities. When it comes to multimodal capabilities, ChatGPT-4 offers advanced features like image generation with DALL-E, enabling it to understand and create content across both text and images seamlessly. On the other hand, Gemini Ultra also supports multimodal inputs and outputs but relies on Google's Imagen for image generation. While Imagen is known for producing photorealistic images, ChatGPT-4 wins this round for its versatility in handling both textual and visual data more cohesively and its creative interpretation of prompts. 4. Privacy and data security. Both ChatGPT-4 and Gemini Ultra prioritize the security of user data, but their approaches and levels of transparency differ. ChatGPT-4 stands out for its clear policies on data use and retention, offering users the option to opt out of data training. On the other hand, Gemini Ultra implements rigorous data review processes and separates reviewed data from user accounts, although there have been some concerns regarding data retention practices. The winner in this category is ChatGPT-4, primarily due to its more transparent data usage policies and the level of control it gives users over their data. By providing clear information and options for users to manage their data, ChatGPT-4 ensures that users can trust the platform with their information and make informed decisions about their privacy. 5. Integration with productivity tools. Gemini Ultra is poised to revolutionize user workflows by seamlessly integrating with Google's suite of productivity tools, including the ubiquitous Google Search and Maps. This deep integration promises a smoother, more efficient experience for users, allowing them to access and utilize Gemini's capabilities seamlessly within their existing workflows. In contrast, while ChatGPT-4 offers a diverse array of AI capabilities, it lacks the same level of native integration with productivity tools as Gemini. However, third-party solutions can help bridge this gap to some extent, enabling users to leverage ChatGPT-4 in conjunction with their preferred productivity tools. Ultimately, the winner in this category is Gemini Ultra, thanks to its native integration with Google's ecosystem. This integration not only enhances productivity but also simplifies interaction with widely used tools, giving it a distinct advantage over ChatGPT-4 in the realm of integration with productivity tools. 6. Customization and user interaction. When it comes to customization and user interaction, ChatGPT-4 and Gemini Ultra take slightly different approaches. ChatGPT-4 shines with its GPT Store, a platform that empowers users to create and share custom models. This feature not only offers a high degree of customization, but also fosters a vibrant community of users. On the other hand, while Gemini Ultra is undeniably powerful, it falls short in terms of user customization and model sharing options. The winner in this category is ChatGPT-4. Thanks to its robust tools that allow users to tailor their experience and engage with the community through model sharing. With ChatGPT-4, users not only benefit from a customizable AI, but also become part of a collaborative ecosystem that fuels innovation and creativity. This result ties the scores at 3 for ChatGPT-4 and 3 for Gemini, highlighting the competitive nature of their features and capabilities. After a comprehensive analysis, it is evident that both Gemini Ultra and ChatGPT-4 excel in their respective areas, making the choice between them dependent on the specific requirements and preferences of the user. Gemini stands out in language translation, web integration, and information retrieval, making it particularly suitable for users who prioritize linguistic capabilities and seamless integration with Google services. On the other hand, ChatGPT-4 demonstrates strength in long context memory, coding tasks, privacy considerations, and overall user experience. While Gemini offers impressive capabilities in certain domains, ChatGPT-4's focus on long context memory and coding tasks provides users with a unique advantage in handling complex information and programming-related tasks. Additionally, ChatGPT-4's emphasis on privacy considerations ensures that users can interact with the model with a greater sense of security and confidentiality. In conclusion, the choice between Gemini Ultra and ChatGPT-4 ultimately boils down to the specific needs and priorities of the user. Both models offer distinct advantages, and selecting the best option requires careful consideration of the tasks and objectives at hand.